Hi everyone, Cindy De Silva here from Escalate IT Training. You might already know how to hide columns in Excel by selecting the columns, right-clicking one of the headers, and choosing Hide. But this will only hide the columns that I manually selected. There are over 16,000 columns and over 1 million rows in every Excel worksheet. So if I wanted to hide the empty columns and rows here, it will take me some time to do it manually. Instead, I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut and do it in a fraction of the time. I'll select column D, Control Shift right arrow to select all the columns to the right, right-click a header, and hide. I can do the same thing for the rows as well. I'll select row 14, Control Shift down arrow, right-click, and hide. I now have a simple looking worksheet that will prevent other people from making changes to the hidden columns and rows. This is Micro Mondays. I'll see you next week.